Hi and welcome to a new 3DEqualizer4 tutorial. Today we feature an exciting update in Release 8, the overhauled Maya exporter. So let us demonstrate its new capabilities and start right away by exporting this sample project. Open the requester. And here it is. We are going to simply match the project's name. The default start frame of 1 is good for us. We want to export the whole project, and Maya group name can be left at default. We like to export all the cameras and all 3D models as well. The rest of the defaults are fine for now. Click OK to export. At the end of the export, a success message will be shown. Let's examine our options here in this requester. You can copy the path of the file, or you can follow instructions on how to source the export into Maya. There's also a Maya shelf that can be installed. Please note that Maya should not be running when you install shelves. To import the file, we only need to double-click the button of the latest export. Great, let's have a look at the outliner. What do we have here? There are 3 cameras and 2 point groups. Each of the cameras also have 2 hidden point groups underneath them. They contain 2.5D tracks. The point sets have been preserved, and their names are exactly as we defined them in 3DE. The geometry has been exported, and also the line work has been exported to Maya. Let's scrub through the scene to see if they have been animated. Great, they are exactly as we expected. Now let's look through the shot camera. The cones don't match with the tracking markers. Let's load the undistorted plate to fix that. Please make sure to re-enable image sequence. Perfect. The tracking markers now match the locators. Now, let's have a look at the 2.5D trackers that we exported automatically out of 3DEqualizer. We will hide them all in Camera Group to clear out the UI. Expand the camera, and we will unhide the mocap group of 2.5D trackers. Quick tip: 2.5D trackers are exported automatically when the checkbox is ticked. Please note that when the point has no 2D tracking information for a range of frames, they will just hold its last position. If we want to edit the distance of the trackers, we can select how many we need and just change the distance. If our suite users desire to export specific 2.5D tracks from 3DE to Maya, the process is quite simple as well. A quick demonstration. We have tracked 2 additional points in the corners of the eyes, between frames 20 and 100. With these 2 points selected, open again script Export Maya. We will switch the mode to export selected 2.5D points. Change the name of the file. Change Maya group name, and export. Then in Maya, just quickly hide these 2.5D trackers. Double-click the 3DE button. A new point group appears in Outliner with the same name as we defined in 3DE. This group contains our selected 2.5D points. Now some Maya magic to display them in our viewport. Select the camera, select the object track group, constraint, and parent constraint. And there we have it. A final look at the sequence and the new points. Excellent. Great work, everybody. We mastered the new Maya exporter. Now that we have covered the basic operation of Maya exporter and importer, let's talk about the few technical details. Shot cameras now include metadata on the transform node. Metadata contains both static information and animated information. The distortion parameters are keyed on every frame. Some versions of Maya have issues importing large meshes. To sidestep this problem, we have created a temporary file location system. We have 3 options: to use either the OS temporary directory, Maya project directory, or the user home directory. The temporary file location will be used to write out OBJ files that will be deleted as soon as the importing has been concluded. That's it. What a fun little ride through this really useful update. We hope that you will enjoy using the new 3D Equalizer to Maya Exporter. Have fun and see you next time.